guys, welcome to my channel and greetings to everyone. So today we are going to talk about future technology which will blow your mind. Yes, which will blow your mind. So before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's go. The future of VR game is going to be the next level of future gaming world, guys. Yes, people will actually start living in the game instead of playing it. Why? Because in the future, people will feel, touch and even smell in the game itself. Suppose you're playing Fortnite or PUBG with your friends using VR gears like suit, treadmill simulator, and yeah, of course VR. Then you can run, walk and even sit down to do same in the game. If someone shoots you in the game, then you will feel the bullet in real to your body as in the game. There are places where you can go and experience this kind of games. So if you want to go and have this kind of amazing experience, then you can go to thevoid.com as mentioned in the description and search for your nearby locations. So let's go to next topic. You all know that drones are used to make content for media. But in future, big companies like Amazon and eBay will use drone to ship your product. Maybe someday drone will deliver your pizza too. In future, it will be used to find lost person, crime suspect, and to spy anybody and also to search for stolen vehicles. And there is a place in Singapore where drones are already used to serve food. So let's go to next topic. Hologram will take advertisement to next level. Nowadays, as you can see, there are screens on street to advertise, but in future, hologram will take over. Why? Because as you all know that screens on street are only visible by limited angle and they all are 2D. However, in future when hologram will take over, then you can visualize the same by every angle like it's real. In future, you can hologram call like you are in India and also in United States at the same time. Yes, there are two companies, Verizon and Korean Telecom, which are working on this project together, and they already held like first live international hologram call. There are also small hologram 3D machine which you can buy online if you want to. So that's all for the day. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and please share and do subscribe to my channel. We keep posting all kind of stuff here and I'm sure you will enjoy it in future, and I believe you're enjoying it right now as well. So do subscribe. Thank you. And I'll meet you all very soon in the next video. Till then, have fun, be safe, peace.